Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain you how to use MyPay on Chime. Now before we start, make sure to watch this video until the end so you understand how MyPay works on Chime. First of all, what is MyPay? So Chime's MyPay is a line of credit that lets you get up to $500 before payday. There are no mandatory fees, no credit checks, and no interest to get money when you need it. With MyPay, just log into your Chime app, see how much is available to you, and then choose how much you want to access. Accessing MyPay is totally free, and the money you choose to get will hit your Chime's checking account within 24 hours. Need the money sooner? For $2 per access, you can get it instantly. So you're gonna have to pay a small fee of $2 if you want to get access to it instantly. Limits can range from $20 to $500 depending on factors such as your direct deposit history. How does MyPay work? MyPay lets you access money before payday. With authorization, outstanding MyPay balances will be repaid from direct deposits to your Chime checking account from eligible sources. So in order to get access and everything, you have to set up direct deposit. So if you haven't already opened a Chime checking account, when MyPay is available to you, you'll need to have received at least two qualifying MyPay direct deposits of $200 or more per deposit within the last 36 days, or one qualifying MyPay direct deposit of $200 or more per deposit in the last 36 days, and an additional data source such as your work email or work address during MyPay enrollment, or one qualifying MyPay direct deposit of $200 or more per deposit in the last 36 days from a government benefits payer, and meet the other eligibility requirements in the MyPay agreement to use. So in order to see how much you can access, so after you've enrolled with MyPay, check the MyPay hub in the Chime app. There you'll be able to see the amount available for you to take as an advance. Now, in order to choose your amount, so as you can see, the maximum amount you can access each pay period is based on your estimated income. Credit limits can range from $20 to $500 and may increase or decrease over time. So you have to just follow the prompts in the app to choose how much you need. At any given time, the amount you can take as an advance will be less than or equal to your overall credit limit. Both amounts will be available to view in the Chime app. Now, in order to select the speed you receive the money, so as you can see, choose a scheduled advance and the money will be deposited in your checking account within 24 hours, completely fee-free. Or choose to get your money instantly for $2. How does MyPay repayment work? So when you use MyPay, the amount you access during the pay period plus any fees you incurred as $2 per instant access is deducted from your checking account to repay your outstanding MyPay balance when your next direct deposit posts. The repayment transaction may appear in two types of transactions. One, if you choose to use the instant advance option, the first transaction you'll see will be labeled MyPay Instant Advance Fees. This transaction will include the total amount of instant advance fees you accumulated throughout the pay period. All instant advance fees will be repaid under a single transaction. Second, so the second transaction is labeled MyPay Repayment and will include the total amount of your MyPay advances. If you don't make any instant advances, the MyPay repayment will be your only repayment transaction. So basically, that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.